Henne kasengi ka khatwai terik unaitung ka Seng Jong ki Nonghikai College Kiba Hapoh kalama Jong ka Mcta College Teachers Association Hapoh ka jinglam khmat Jong ka President I Dr. B.H. Buam bat ka General Secretary Ikong A Basayuman Kelai kendo ikinong patai kubor Hasilong Press Club ban penpau ikimat Jingdawa Jong ki nak sarkar ki bolong ru kimat Jingdawa ki barenti katkum ka Jingdawa Jong ka Seng kami Jong ki Nonghikai College hakari India hi borok away kini ilam Jong ka Seng MCTA kiletu bahag jelang ka bakilawani Mcta Kabalalong hak hatnyo bak kapratrik ubana jilio balala kajelang kabalatip kum ka National Executive Committee jong ka All India Federation of University and College Teachers Organization kabalalong ha University of Mumbai Kalina Campus Mumbai lai keren bat yatai sani ba halor ka Education Policy 2016 jong ka sarkar pedeng kabalapan kre ada katna Ministry of Human Resource Development.
We feel very greatly as a teacher organization is that the education sector is not attracting the best talents. And if everybody is complaining about the state of education in Mcta today, it's because of the neglect and the apathetic attitude of the government towards the education sector. We're also asking, one of our demands is the scraping of API and the extending of dates of the refresher courses and orientation courses. We're asking for the new pension scheme to be called off and pension for all teachers. Well, this is, when you look at the state of Mcta, in spite of the national pension scheme being mandated by the central government, you'd be surprised to know that the deficit college teachers do not enjoy pension. In spite of the 30, 40 years of long service, they retire penniless. No pension scheme is there for the teachers. This is a sad state of affairs, and well, we have taken up this issue also with the government. We're also asking for abolition of anomalies in the 6th pay scale. We don't want a budget cut on education and allowing budget cut allocation to education at 6% of GDP.
Shibenta ban penpau ya Jingdawa Jong ka MCTA sa ka sarkar. Haka khat artarek mentau naitung kene ka Seng kan sarak heru ya ka singi ka balatip kum ka Justice Day da ka bapalong ru da ka State Level Convention. Hakani convention an sa pansyai ru halor ki pratli ki mat Jingdawa Jong ka Seng kentop ki katuk ne ki bakham kongsan kum ka Jingdawa ban pentrekam no ya ka 7th UGC pay revision nangta banwara no da ka pay scale ya ki Nonghikai ki bampat pen scam ne ki ad hoc bat ki de ki Jingdawa.
Tomorrow is the day where we are going to observe the Justice Day. Now, you know, this has, to anyone who has heard about why we need this Justice Day, I think this is a day that we, the teachers, are to observe it in true spirit, in letter and spirit. Because on one hand, we are that group of people, of professionals, who are being most revered. But on the flip side of it, the injustice that has been meted out to us, it is very much experienced by teachers all across the country. Now, also in particular, I would like to, to share with you that we are sharing our concern with what is the future of education tomorrow. And that is in the near future, especially higher education. What is the future of it? Now in this, I would like to say that the government, the MHRD, has come out with a new educational policy. And that policy is being awaited. But then when we try to look at all this, there are signs of impending danger regarding higher education. There is a move towards privatization. There's a move towards corporatization. Now, if this is where we are moving, we are just going against the constitutional provisions of having equality. Now, in such a scenario, there will be a complete exclusion of a large majority of the young ones who are, to be the beneficiaries of the scheme of higher education. And also, I would like to say that this will put a stop. It will be a kind of a block for many because inclusion will not be there. Rather, it is a policy that will be excluding the younger ones.